Bert, are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Good. Welcome back, guys. It's currently, what is it today? 26 degrees?
This is the best bit, right?
What, you sweeping the floor?
The whole workshop,
Yeah.
and you get to the door, it goes all in.
Well, welcome back. Today is a nice warm day. We're currently cooking at 26, 27 degrees Celsius. We've unloaded the BMW off the dyno, which you saw in the other episode. And today, we're actually taking the engine out of Brian's GTR. We've got these lovely temporary Silverline wing covers because we ordered some and they haven't turned up yet. We've just got to move this GTR out of the way so that we've got plenty of space so we don't damage anything. But this lump's coming out. We've got to sort out a few leaks. Turbos are coming out. We're uprating the turbos. Got to check the gearbox over. There's loads of issues with this car and we're just trying to get to the bottom of it. It should only take maybe 2 to 4 hours depending on how much I mean, most of it's done. Most of it's off. Most of the stuff of the car's off. The injector's got to come out and be cleaned, tested. Yeah, he's had a bit of paint work done on it. On the rear, looks two completely different colours by someone else. But this is a nice car. This is the one that I want. I want this GTR. I'll buy this GTR for him one day. We've got to do various things as well. Like, we've got to check the brake discs. He thinks they're warped. Pal Charlie, the one that you've seen in other videos, gave us this. It's actually from Snap-on, so we can hear noises. That's really cool, that stethoscope. Are you going to lift her up then, Bert? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to quickly take her up, drain all the fluids out of her, like the water, the oil, and all the rest of it, and then I can crack on, bring it back down, unplug all the loom out the glove box, pull the loom out, and then yeah, it should come straight out. Be good fun. Bought these cool little things from Rally Design in England. Rally Design's like this cool little shop that sells like tools and rally parts for Fords and all the rest of it. They got these wheel holders. When you take the wheels off, instead of just lying on the floor, you can put them on here. Job's a good one. And they were actually only £20 plus VAT. Makes a difference. We hunted yesterday for a tool to take the wheels off because he's lost his. Where's the tool?
Here's the tool.
This. It's like an internal drive.
Amazing.
We were looking online for one, weren't we? How much were they online? €2.
€2.
And how much was the shipping?
74.
Oh, you're monopolising, mate, on wheel bolts. Come on, dugger. Mate, your arm's dirty. It's the first time I've seen your arm dirty. Crack.
Riders.
Told you should have bought him a walkie.
Good lord.
Snap-on shite for electric tools.
By hand then, I suppose. Back down she goes.
So we've just made a start. We just removed the calipers because we've got to change all the discs and that anyway. So just letting the fluid drain out a little bit. I've got to undo here, up there, and then I can leave all that suspension bit on. I'm going to drop it down in a bit. I'm going to remove this drive shaft here because it doesn't need to be on there. Need to remove these water pipes up here, and then we can start in the engine bay basically, and inside the car. You get the ECU unplugged. Also we need to drain the aircon, so we've got an aircon machine here that we got through with the garage. So yeah, that's good. Oh, HKS oil cooler. Nice. So they both HKSs. Oh, they are as well. Sick. Getting the oil drained. It is black as fuck. Wow. On his phone as usual. What work are you doing, Bert? What? Did you say no problem?
It's not important, don't worry.
Oh. Oh, surprised it's got coolant in it, this car, aren't you? This is what I get all the time. But,
What?
oh finally, this oil is so thick. It looks like someone's abandoned this car in 2001 before it was even made. Nice. So we've had a quick lunch break. Andrew's doing the usual. He's working. So yeah, just gonna drop the car down now and take all the electrics out and clear up all this mess. And now we've just got to bolt this back up so that's out of the way, take the water pipes off, and then we're done. Like, that's underneath completo apart from the brake lines. So nice. Well, that's the prop shaft out for the front drive shafts. We're jamming with our Bose fucking speaker, boy. We've been going probably hour and a half-ish, 2 hours, and this is where we're at now. Everything in the engine bay apart from, got a water pipe here, water pipe back there, and a water pipe there, and then we've got to undo the electrics under the glove box, pull them out, put them over the engine, because we're not going that deep into this, so we don't need to unplug everything because we'll be here all day. Drew is currently taking the glove box out. How are you getting on there, Drew?
Tricky.
Yeah, it's a pain, isn't it? So once we've got the electrics out, we've unplugged all here, took your sub-wiring out, we can pull this out and then drop the engine. Oh yeah, also power steering. Don't forget power steering. Figured it out yet, Bert?
Yeah, we got there in the end.
You got half the dashboard like completely obliterated.
Yeah, my head did that.
It's your first time fucking working on a GTR, innit, Bert?
Squeezed so hard and he farted. I just need to get this bastard out.
Go on, tell us, show us which one. What one are you trying to get out?
This.
Oh.
That one.
That ECU plug?
Yeah.
Or was it a body module plug?
It's something else.
Oh, you're something else.
No.
They're my boxers, bastard. What have you got my pants on for? Even birth, mate.
Yeah, I can't do anything.
It's alright, I've got them one at a time. Put them through one at a time. Don't want to damage anything. So. There's another one. There's an. Ah, she out, Bert. Yes. Now, because you're such a lanky git, I need you to get the two water pipes, and that's. Then we need to lift it up. You look like, you know when Ace Ventura comes out the back of the Rhino? So now there's a blue pipe up here, which is a Samco hose. But can you not poke my bum? But so there's a blue Samco hose there. There's a screwdriver.
Yeah, bit big for the job.
And then there's another one on this. See this black pipe here? Comes through here.
Yes.
It's down there, and that's it.
Okay.
That's all the pipe work done.
All right.
Yeah, you can kneel on there. That's fine.
No, it's
It says
carbon
it
composite.
says carbon fibre composite. So took my weight.
8mm, please, on a socket.
He doesn't know it's a 7mm. That'll give him an 8mm like he asked me for. There's no 8mm, Bert. Someone's lost it. Thought so.
I'm fucking around.
It's you, not me.
First day or something. Fuck's sake.
Hold on. Let me push it back.
Lost my life.
Go on. And again.
It's no good, Bert.
It is. I've been standing on it. Just kneel on it, Bert. It's it's only a GTR.
I built strong, mate.
Yeah.
Can you get me an 8mm?
No, Bert. It's gone.
More, just look.
Bert,
just
it's not
look.
there. I'll give you this 8mm. On a proper ratchet, not that fucking piece of shit.
On the neck.
Is it warm? Yeah, there's an 8mm. Whingy bastard.
Thank you. So hard, was it?
Nope. Right, so we've cracked all the subframe bolts off. We're just going to line this up. You need to come back further, Bert. I think the legs need to come out of that. Whew. God, that's been a long couple of hours, isn't it? Yeah, I saw one that they had in America, right? It had a lever, they pulled the lever and it lied flat.
Nice.
Just going to make sure that we get it straight under here on this subframe. The welds on that are dirty. Right. So I would say, pull the back end around a little bit. No, the other way. Oh, no, too much. Centre. There we go. You got it that time. Well done. Please don't lower it while I'm under it, Bert.
So again?
Don't lower it while I'm under it, Bert.
Of course I'm not going to lower it.
smack on them. Catch. Oh my God, that was wheeling. Catch. Good catch. Go ahead, slowly. 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 Oh. Man, that's literally cold fucking straight. What the fuck?
The engine's coming out like that.
Oh my God.
You can take it, Toby. You can take it. Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, that was eyeball. Oh, fucking walked it in my eyeball. Right,
Yeah.
I need some pliers. What type? Pliers. You're taller than me, so can you have a look over the top and see if you can hang on for dear life? You don't break anything.
Moving.
Where's it moving?
Good man.
I'll go up and tap on it. It might just fucking drop. I don't know. But we're not going to move that anymore. Let's move the... This is a fucking... Right? If this goes feet on, we are fucked.
Centre. Something it's like, right, it's like this. But,
Yeah, it's just called the centre, sorry.
yeah, it was like this. Sorry?
Is the car secure on the ramp? And wiggle it to see if it falls off. There's a lot of weight over the back now on the front.
What the fuck am I supposed to do if it doesn't?
Come to the front
Yeah.
and lift the front and see gently and just wiggle it and see if it starts leaning back. No, we're fine, go up.
Okay.
Right, check everything.
What?
Check, make sure nothing's caught. Bit more. Whoa, what was that? Fuck me, what a mission. It's all good though. They weren't that bad a job, really. 4 hours. So that's one GTR engine out. We've got to remove the turbos, fix all the little leaks, remove the bell housing. The bell housing's got to come off as well because we've got a new bell housing. The reason why we've got a new bell housing is because this. Ready? Oh yeah. That weren't bad going, 4 hours. Engine bay's nice and dirty. We'll probably give it a clean before we put the engine back in when we go to do it. But the engine's all here ready so that we can take all the turbos off. I'll get that done tomorrow. Bell housing, turbos, and what other bits as well, because fuck changing those turbos while it's in the car. That must be a mission. Hey ho. We're there. I think it's time to go and have a beer.
The next morning, the madness continued. Only now we could actually see what was going to kill us.
Now it's time to take the turbos off.
Morning.
I'm being teacher to Drew, helping Drew do stuff. So we're going to take this pipe off here. Then the oil feed and the oil return needs to come off. This is a beast to get off. This pipe here needs to come off. But
Hello?
are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I am.
Good. Let's get them off and get them built.
Mark right over the lens. Looks amazing. Still there.
So yeah, like literally 20 minutes, isn't it, to take the turbo off?
No, 2.5 hours.
Oh, is that what we're telling
Ryan.
the customer? Wiggle, 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 yo.
My money doesn't jiggle.
Jiggle.
It folds.
My
It
money
wiggle
doesn't
wiggles.
jiggle. My money doesn't jiggle, jiggle. It
Is there
folds.
still one on there? Dankeschön.
Come on, Bert.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Mit mir.
Anything else connected? Yeah, there's a 10mm under there that you missed.
I missed
You
it.
have?
Teacher didn't tell me.
There's a bracket right there with a 10mm on it.
Idiot. You fucking idiot.
Yes, you are.
What an idiot you are, Beatrice.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
No, fuck you. 10mm spanner?
10mm spanner? Nope. 11mm.
I'm going to get a 10mm spanner. Well, that turbo's definitely the culprit. This one here, look at the oil in there, look. Yeah, boy. It's tight still, though.
May I have the socket, please?
Look, this one.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice. They're both off now. We just took about an hour-ish. We're just separating all the bolts into a Burger King cup for the minute until we get another, or McDonald's. No, it's Burger King. It's got Burger King written on it. I didn't know McDonald's changed their logo, but they're both off. This one here's got a couple of lovely cracks. One right here, and then one here. We'll probably weld them up. Maybe TIG weld them up, something like that. But I'll take them to the turbo guy first just to check them over and decide what he wants to do. I'm waiting all day for this. Can't wait. First of all, we fucking strip a GTR engine. Now we get to play with a little bike buggy thing.
Yeah, they're quite cool, aren't they?
I'd literally kill myself up the mountains in one of those. I need to get one. Can we get one?
No.
Why?
So I need you, Bert.
What do you mean need me?
Need you.
Yeah, but that makes me happy.
Need you to make. I don't care about that.
What do you mean you don't care about
Look at the
that?
fun down here.
You can't have fun like you can have fun in one of those
I need your
buggies.
life.
I'm going to show him what
You
this.
need drift cars, aren't that enough?
No, I need another one.
It's not
I've
enough
got.
going
Oh
around the
shit! I
mountain
got.
sideways.
I got 2 drift cars. I need to get rid of one. Right, we need this. This is what we need. So this is like the little buggy thing. It's just taking it apart at the moment. 600cc motorbike engine. This was Push Me Or. Yeah, I saw you at Push Me Or, yeah. Sick. I'm not gonna lie, this thing's fucking pretty cool. Just strapped it on, see how it goes, see if it's safe enough. Just put some blocks on the front. So this is forward gear for first, and then back for the rest. So we're just gonna basically see what it's doing. I want to see the air and fuel mixture and see how it's kicking up. See if it even stays in the rollers, shall we? Well, I strapped the front down because I don't want it doing a wheelie. But just filled it up with fuel. So we're going to hit it now with a bike and see what it does first, and then move it over to a car.